restart Windows Update service. First, click to start, type service, and right click to run as administrator. Press W Windows Update, slow down. You can see here Windows Update. Just double click. If it is manual, just select the automatic and start. Apply. Okay. Then again open, then stop, again start, and then okay. Then one more service, background, you just select B intelligent transfer service. So this one, you just double click, automatic, start, then apply, and then okay. Apply, okay, and close it. Next step, clear software distributions folder. So stop Windows Update service. So go to C drive, open C drive, then Windows, then software, press S. Software distribution. If it is not showing here, you just select on this icon and show more and hidden item. You just check this. After that, open, select all and delete. Again, and after that is not, you just click on close. Okay, and then close. Next step, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So click to start, click on setting, system, scroll down and find out the troubleshoot. Last troubleshoot, just click on it. Other troubleshoot, Windows Update, just click on run. Wait few seconds. Just minimize this. After that, you can restart and you can check it. Otherwise, it's not resolved. You just follow next method. Hope it will issue resolve. Okay, you just click to close. The next method. Click on start. In search, type CMD. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is command. First, copy and just Control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed. So it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage, like 60% is stuck, it's not continued, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and Control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected. Okay, now third, Control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter. It will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see it is running percentage. So do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health. Copy, Control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is the 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay,